Hello and welcome to the mobile app tutorial. Today we'll be reviewing the iOS applications, each of the individual features. The main page of the app enables an infinite scroll of artworks available on the platform. After each swipe, the artwork will begin to move, and you can then determine your next steps. In the top right corner, there's an icon that enables filtering by orientation that currently includes landscape and portrait for all, and it also includes a toggle to only select artwork that's included in the subscription or to include all artwork. As you are scrolling through the artwork catalog, you have the plus button. By selecting the plus, you can add it to a collection or you can create a new collection. Next, you can find out information about the particular artist and drill down further into that artist and see the works that they have created and they own in the Collections tab. The heart button adds that artwork to your favorites. The sharing button enables you to copy and share that with a friend. And when you're ready to send an artwork to a screen, you select the play button. From that menu, you can select one or an unlimited number of screens to send the artwork to. Each of the screens has individual features, settings such as orientation, artwork rotation, how many minutes do you want each artwork to play for, audio or no audio, QR code on the screen, details of the artwork, do you want to play the 4K or the HD stream? And then on the bottom, if you want to only play artwork that matches the exact orientation, and then black does logo on screen or not. Clear selection. Select all simple shortcuts when you're ready to discover beyond the individual artworks and pre-curated collections. You click on the search button. You can scroll a number of pre-curated collections that are always being updated in the platform. In the top search bar, you can search for individual artists. I search for Jamie Scott. Artists, I can find Jamie's, drill down to that particular artist. I find artworks that I like, begin, add them to a collection or play. I also have the opportunity to follow the collection with the star, which we'll show you in just a moment. You can also search for flowers and go into artworks, and here you have all the individual artworks that have flowers inside their name. After understanding the search criteria, you have already begun to build collections. Get Collections menu. On the left-hand side, you have your collections. Each of these are collections that are mine. I created, organized, I can then back out of that, and I can go to followed collections, and the followed collections should be there.